Hello everyone, this is Tech from Gita Bhubaneswar. So, as you all know, the cybercrimes are happening all around the world, right? Like it's attacking each and every corner of the world. Like on social media platforms, various photographs and forensic documents are being morphed for bad intentions or for the worst purposes. Even the women intimate pictures are being morphed for blackmailing someone, right? Even the celebrities are basically trolled by blending the pictures with some useless stuffs. As you can see, the such photographs are being morphed either for entertainment purposes or for the worst purposes. So we Tech have come up with a solution where you can just upload any random image on our platform. We have made an app on our website where you can verify the morphed images, and it will also localize the morphed area. It's gonna work like this. Like you just have to upload the image on our app on our website. It will scan for verification and it will show you the results whether the image is morphed or not. So we have created like this, so it's gonna look like this. So the Forge bot and the Forge app, and also we have created a Twitter bot. So as you can see, the Aadhaar card which I've used in the previous slides, like you can predict what part of the Aadhaar card was being morphed. And even the same photo I have used, you can also be aware what part of the morphed images were being morphed or by used for the worst purposes. So here's the Twitter bot. So you just can verify the images even on Twitter by just simply tagging our platform. A link will be sent to you and you can definitely detect the morphed image. So we have also created a news section on our website, on our app, using the Graph CMS, where like you can be aware of the recent forgery happening all around the world. So here I have used two examples. Like the grievance officer has stated new social media rules for removal of nudity and morphed images within 24 hours. Like he is concerned and he is going to stop the rampant abuse of social medias. And even the second one is government has announced new social media rules to curb the misuse. Even here they need platforms to provide information including related verification of identity of the original, like not the unlawfully duplicated sources. So I think this platform will definitely help you to reach out to the origin. So use cases, of course, this will help you to be aware of the cyber crimes. You can verify the forensic documents, you can verify the certificates and achievements, and even celebrities will get to know about the morphed images as well.